Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by entering full screen and opening system settings. First, click the green window button or press Ctrl-Command-F to switch the app to full screen. Once full screen is active, press Command, or open Apple menu system settings, then go to Dock and Menu Bar. Here you will find the automatically hide and show menu bar in full screen option. Toggle it on. This step tells Mac OS to hide the top bar when apps use full screen and is the essential first action. Next, verify behavior and adjust app-specific settings, then use terminal only if needed. If the bar still appears, exit full screen and toggle the setting again, or try Mission Control to rearrange spaces. For a deeper reset, open terminal and run. Defaults write NS global domain HI hide menu bar bool true, then kill all system UI server. This forces the menu bar to refresh. Once done, re-enter full screen. Make sure to save work before killing processes. This won't harm files, but restarts the menu bar. You can also use Bartender for per app control. Finish by testing several apps and confirming consistent behavior. Exit full screen, then reopen each app to ensure the top bar stays hidden when in full screen. If inconsistent, update Mac OS via System Settings General Software Update, then restart. Troubleshooting tip: if hiding fails, boot into safe mode and test. If it works there, a third-party app or extension likely conflicts. Make sure to disable those helpers or remove login items. Finally, sign out and back in to apply persistent change.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.